And speaking of stocks, I mean, it's been a bit of a mixed bag when it's come to earnings season here. What's your take on your expectations for how we should really be looking at earnings season, given some of the backdrop of what we're dealing with right now?
Well, last week, it reminded me of the Survivor TV show, right? It's like, okay, someone has to go home, right? Someone's off the island, and that was Meta. They sent them off the island. Then it was Amazon. It was Microsoft. I mean, seriously, it was a tough week. It's amazing that the market held up so well. And the lone survivor, Apple. So Apple did pretty well, again, buying back shares, EPS, and so forth. So, that's our leadership, and each and every one of them, unfortunately, had a negative result. But we did see some money go into like Honeywell and some of these industrials, while the Dow's outperformed the S&P when the S&P's outperformed the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ's still not into this winning streak, so to speak, very, very slightly. But last week, definitely expectations were low coming into the season, no doubt. But unfortunately, we saw a lot of the technique, including Google, Amazon, Donner, Blitzen, CommonQ, all these different big companies really saw themselves down 10, 15% after hours. So it was not a good place to be last week.
And they took another hit today. And the NASDAQ is up, albeit less than 4% compared to the almost 14% for the Dow. Could anything encourage you to get back in on tech in the short term?
No, it's going to take a couple of quarters. Right now, anytime a stock does that and they give guidance lower, analysts continue to downgrade. Then as an investor, you find yourself like in quicksand. That's where we are. Honestly, to see the Googles and Microsofts and those type of names again, yeah, investors probably have to see 2 or 3 quarters of positive growth and some type of positive commentary of guidance. But until that time, I think it's going to be dead money or worse, like I said, quicksand type of money.
Yeesh, dead money or worse, quicksand. Strong words there. We do thank you for joining us, Ken Mahoney, for your commentary. Thanks so much.